Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Exercise in the comfort of your own home with this 800-watt folding electric treadmill. This foldable treadmill is built with an 800-watt motor that can power any level of workout. Switch between 5 program speeds and 3 exercise routines to make the most out of your workout. The built-in digital display allows you to track your distance, speed, time, and calories burned, while the integrated grip readers monitor your heart rate. Revolutionize your workout with this 800-watt folding electric treadmill by Best Choice Products.
Extraordinary with the Sunny Health and Fitness T75 15 Smart Treadmill.